Hello guys, welcome to another session with Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. In this video I want to teach us how to make this flare design. Alright, this flare design. Okay, I'm going to be showing us two ways in which you can achieve this flare. Okay, the first one is to get a long strip like this in no particular measurements. The measurement is determined by how big you want your flare to be, long strip like this. Okay, but for the purpose of this class I'm using a 3.5 inches. Okay, and the length I'm using is right, this is the length size 23. So if you have a zigzag scissors, okay, you can just use it to trim the edge like this. Okay, like this. Okay, to give you this zigzag on the edge. It also stands to beautify it, so you don't have to run stitches or folding or anything. Okay, so it's best to use your zigzag scissors. So after getting your strips like this on with your fabric, you get your needle and thread. So you get your thread, your matching thread, and start forming, run a stitch to form a pleat, you know, at this end, not on where you have your zigzag. So you run a stitch like you're picking a pleat this way. You run it till you get to the end of the fabric. Okay, you pull out. Okay, after running your stitches, okay, you pull your thread. All right, can you see what I just did? And you have your flare, you pull your thread. Isn't it beautiful? It's simple. Okay, well, I'm sorry if that word simple doesn't ring a bell to some of us. If it were that simple, some of us will not be in this training, so I'm sorry for using that word. So you pull. After pulling, you then bring this end and place on this one. Okay, you can secure first, but guys, this is just it basically. Okay, so you run your stitch on this part to hold them down like this. This place where you have your stitches, you can use your pair. Okay, your pair to cover it. All right, and we are done. You get your brooch. If you want it in double, this is what you do: a bigger one and then a smaller one on it. Okay, you can get your brooch to cover the middle, or you make a bowl to cover it, or you use roses to cover it. I've taught us a lot of styles, you know, in the course of this class. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful. All right, and then you stitch both down. Okay, so guys, this is how to make your flare. This is one pattern. I'm going to teach us the other pattern. Thanks for watching. This video is an effort of Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. Follow us on Instagram at Fashion Boss, Facebook Fashion Boss, like our Facebook page at Fashion Boss Innovation. join our Facebook group on Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. Go to YouTube and download our free videos. Search for Fashion Boss Innovations Academy, and don't stop recommending us. Thank you, and God bless you. Peace out.